Hello, so we are back, and this time we have a different kind of repair. So what do we have here? We have a Lenovo X230 tablet. Kind of like an old one. We have a Windows 7 sticker, but it's a i7 CPU. Now the battery is out from a very good reason, but let's check the customer email first. So the customer is saying I have a Lenovo X230. The laptop was working fine yesterday, while I was using it in the car with a genuine Lenovo car charger through the cigarette lighter. Then the car switched off, restart, and the laptop got dark. Currently, when the battery is connected, the bottom right corner of the laptop is getting extremely warm and smell burn. So I believe here we are speaking a different kind of repair from a very good reason, yeah. So this is kind of like an old laptop, but the customer want to repair it, right? Good. He sent me a good laptop. He sent me a good laptop to fix this one. I mean, clearly, probably he has some software tied with the hardware, or it's about some data recovery. Because we have exactly the same laptop here, working laptop, but this one has an i3 CPU. So the only difference is the CPU. So you cannot swap the board. So this laptop, it is coming on, and you can see it's working fine. Strange. I mean, he really want the laptop repair. Let's try to repair this laptop without, breaking this one. I mean, in the worst case scenario, we need some IC, some chips. Yeah, we can use this one. But otherwise, maybe we can fix it without. Now, I'm not gonna plug the battery just because the customer said the laptop it is getting hot. So I will say, let's open this laptop and let's try to have a look inside. Yeah, I know this is kind of a pain to be open if you know the model. Well, let's do it. Now, having devices connected to the battery 12 volts socket, it's tricky. And you know why? Because, okay, the car itself is 12 volts. And the moment you start the car, it's 14, 15 volts. So if you don't have like a good regulator, that that change of that change in voltage, a lot of things bad can happen. As he said, it was used on the car. I'm assuming probably has some diagnostic software for like that kind of OBD diagnose software. I'm assuming many of the expensive software are sold linked with the hardware, so you cannot sell it. You cannot do anything. You have to use it with that specific device. This is a SSD 256 gig. Yeah. So the SSD was here. We have a SIM card socket here, but I can't see a SIM card inside. And the keyboard, it's out. Yeah, this laptop has to be opened in a different way. And the palm rest, it's out. Okay, we have left only the motherboard. It's quite complicated to be opened. Not sure what happened here. I mean, do you think someone worked here, or why this has this kind of shape? Okay, let me take the board out. And the motherboard, it's out. Nearly. The charging port, I'll leave the charging port there. I don't have the charger anyway. Now I'm curious to see what the customer is saying. It's getting hot. Plug in the battery. The battery is plugged. Corners. Ah, lol. Okay. Here is something. Here is something like proper hot. I mean, check there. What is that? Huh? What is that? Here where it's getting hot. It's some big chip, right? Okay, I don't have a good feeling about this. Ah, lol, is the easy chip. But how the easy chip? I can't see the connection, you know. Okay, if the laptop was plugged on the charger and the AC chip got burned. I can't see the connection, that's the thing. And no, I don't have another AC chip. And the question I ask myself, it's only the AC chip? Yeah, check there. You can see the chip. I mean, what is here? Lol. You know, I was thinking it's like a reflection, but I mean, those resistors, check there, you can see are like burned. What voltage do we have here? Why that chip is getting so hot? We have like 4 volts. Okay, yeah. Well, here you have 10 volts. And here you have like 4 volts. So our AC chip is running on 11 volts. Check that, 11 volts on the AC chip. This is crazy. 11 volts. I mean, how this happen? Here we have 2.6. Here we have 3.8. You know what? I believe the LDO power supply is shorted. I mean, check here. We have like 10 volts coming from a resistor. This is not a regulator. So something must be very wrong on this motherboard. This is a regulator. So this one is ground. Now I was thinking the track is coming there, but no, it's going somewhere else. Checking with ground is not a short. You know what? This AC chip is not shorted. So actually what happened here, the AC chip is getting too much voltage. I mean, I'm assuming the AC chip is dead. Yeah. But why so much voltage? Let's check here where we seen the mark on the... But no, here is fine. So we should pay attention where? On the LDO power supply? If we can find it. MOSFETs. Good. No. Here we have like a fuse. It's fine. Here we have MOSFETs. Good. So not sure where is the LDO power supply, but we have to find it. Here we have a MOSFET, and it's good. Let me take out the heatsink. Okay, here you have the CPU and the chipset, and I'm curious if the chipset is still good. So what happened, the voltage from the battery jumped over the 3.3 LDO power supply. This coil is good. This is good. This is good. 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 I mean, every coil I'm checking is good. This coil is good. Oh, this is strange. Never seen something like that. Do you ever see like a double coil? Never seen. We have some MOSFETs here, and we have a double coil with 4 pins. On the chipset, we have 42 ohms. I mean, the chipset is looking good. Not even sure what is this is like an old type of laptop, yeah? And the schematic is different compared with today laptops. So here we have nothing. It's taking no current with 3 volts. So here it's taking 400 milliamps. I mean, do you think? You know, I should try to find a schematic because, yeah, this one is strange. Let me try to find a schematic. You know what? We found schematic and board view. We have the schematic here, and we have the board view. Now, which one it is? Okay, let's see. The EC chip. Let me make this bigger. So we have the EC chip. I mean, what is here? VREG in 20. Okay. And what is this? This is VREG in 20. Okay, that's weird. So what is here? This is a pin from the switch? From the wireless? I mean, here was like 4 volts. Okay, let's focus on the regulator, yeah? We have R1518. R1518. Wait, I don't even know what is this. Never seen something like that. So what chip is this one? Yeah, we have a VREG 20. Yeah, this is our resistor. You can see we have 2 resistors on the parallel mode. And it's going to this chip. And what this chip is doing, never heard about this chip, TB62D. Wait, one second. So actually this is not the EC chip, this is some kind of like a regulator, like, yeah, I mean, has a lot of voltages. One second, I thought this. So this is the U39B. U39. Yeah. I mean, I'm assuming it's not different. 39B. Okay, you know what? This is not a EC chip. This is some kind of like power regulator. But no, wow, 1 second. Where is the AC chip then? You know what? I think this laptop doesn't have a AC chip. I mean, this thingy, which it's same like on the phones, on the tablets. The chip which is starting the board, it's a power management chip. U39B. You think it's a different chip? No, it's not. This is the one. Wait a second. There is a U39A and U39B. U39A. And U39B. Do you think actually it's part of the same chip? I mean, can be this chip, U39, to be both U39A and U39B. Well, you know what? This is over my skill. This is a different, it's a completely different laptop. Different design. I mean, it doesn't look with anything what I've seen before, like not even remotely. And I can't see any other way on trying to fix this motherboard apart from just swapping this chip from the working laptop. And even this is bad because we have, you know, it's a different chip, has different serial numbers. The board has different serial numbers. We have a different CPU, different chipset. So this job can very easily end up on a lot of waste of time. Okay, you know what? We are like in half an hour. We are still good. Let me open the other laptop and let's swap the chip from one board to the other. What do you think about that? Can we do it? I mean, if that's the only problem, I mean, if it will work, I don't even know if it will work. I mean, this job is so risky. And my advice, if you have this laptop to repair, you know, don't do it, don't take it. Okay, so we have a Think engine. You know, probably it will not even work. Nah, this is a chip with a specific firmware inside. I mean, yeah, you know what, we can try. Let's do it. Yeah, let's do it. It is what it is. If it's working, it's working. If it's not working, it's not working. Do you think this it will be hard to... Yeah, I have to take this thingy out. I have to take the plastic. Okay, let me strip down the other laptop. Okay, and the motherboard, it's out. So we took the motherboard out. Now we said I'm gonna remove this chip. Now I don't know what chip is this, that's the thing. So I'm gonna use lower temperature to take out this chip. Rosin flux. $390. I mean, I can't even see. Let's go under the microscope. So the chip it's out, but this is bad. I mean the board just bubbled. I seen the board bubble here. Okay, the chip position is like that. Now let's grab the other board. Same position, same everything. Rosin. Let me higher the temperature a little bit, 420. Because if I can be short, maybe the board it will not bubble. Okay, the chip is out, and we are fine. The other chip is back. You know what? I have zero confidence on doing this repair. I mean, it's just, it's something I never worked before. I'm not sure what this chip is capable, like what temperature it will get burned. Maybe we should solder by hand? What do you think? Like manual solder? Good. Good. Okay, the chip is on place. Let me use a lot of rosin. Just to be sure every pin is soldered and we have no bridges. We've seen few bridges. Maybe it's worth thinking to replace the BIOS also. Good. Yeah, looking good. We have to take some solder out. But that's okay. Good. Perfect. More rosin. So what do you think? It will work or not? Huh? Your opinion. Do you see any breach? Hmm? Let's comb with the hot air with a small nozzle. 480. Just to be sure everything is soldered on place. Good. We have a breach. I seen it. Yeah. Yeah, that one. Good. Good. Now it's time for testing. It's working or not? Hmm? That's my question. Let's suck the heat. Okay, now is the moment. Let's plug the battery. Plug in the battery. And the chip is not getting hot. That's a good sign. Still, we have to press the power button in order to see if it's working. Now, where is the power button? Where is the power button? Actually, the power button is on the keyboard. Huh? Yeah, let's do it. Good. Keyboard is here. Battery. Pressing the power button. It's coming on. Check that. We have green light. Lol. Okay. Let's take a break. We don't have heatsink on the CPU. It's coming on. I can't believe. But wait, we are not out of the woods. We're not sure if the firmware it will match with the BIOS, with the serial number from the CPU. So we can have now on the screen like a bunch of errors. I can't believe. This is, I'm working more to open this fuel compared with actually replacing that chip. Okay, that's the best what I could do. We have the heatsink from the chipset. 1 second. We don't want to lose this. The CPU, we need a little bit of thermal paste. Maybe we don't have to open this again. But this design is terrible. Good. Heatsink. Okay, let's put the board back. Now I don't even have the charger. This is the Lenovo, the yellow pin. You know which charger it is. I don't even have the charger. But if it's working on the battery, I'm assuming it's working on the charger. Okay, so what do we need? It's actually we need the screen connectors. So the screen connectors are on place. This is the pen position. Good, the keyboard. The keyboard, the hard drive. Hard drive is here. Good. And the battery. Good. So the battery is connected. Now is the moment. Pressing the power button and the laptop is coming on and goes off. Why? Power button, the laptop is coming on and is staying on. Check there. We have picture! Ah, and no errors. That's crazy. Escape to continue. Lol. Let's see if it's loading the operating system. Real-time clock error. Okay, that's fine. That's okay. Escape to continue. Yeah, it's loading the Windows. No problem. Check there. You can't see the Windows logo. Okay, I have to edit the video. We have a name on the screen. Okay, I will edit the video. It's no password, but the Windows is clean. I mean, it's nothing here. It's no app, nothing. Do you think actually the customer repaired the laptop just because he loved the laptop? Okay. I think it's repaired. It's working. I mean, we fix it. We fix it. You know, I'm still shocked. I mean, it's nothing on this laptop. No password, no data, no nothing. Well, anyway, we done the job. You know, that's what the customer asked. That's what we did. It was a scary job. So this job could go like size many times. And that chip, I know that chip. I know. I seen on the you know, Think engine, and the chip are proper like bad. Remember, try to swap one before, and the chip goes short at 480 degrees. So yeah, good. Let me unplug the battery easily. Then we can put the laptop all back together. Oh lol, check here the old chip. Okay, the laptop is all back in place. Pressing the power button and the laptop it is coming on. Yeah, the i7 one, yeah. And the Windows is loaded. You see the screen flickering is because of the refresh rate of the camera and of the screen, but the screen is perfect, no flickering. Touchscreen working fine. All done. So yeah, it was a very risky job. And when I'm saying risky, risk to try to fix it and actually not being able to fix it. Without the second laptop the customer sent me, I will not be able to fix it. Well, yeah, I'm happy I helped the customer. You'll be surprised, but there are people. They really love their laptops. I mean, I seen people paying crazy money for their laptop to be fixed, like all stuff, all laptops. So yeah, it's nothing to judge here. Okay, so I'm gonna stop here. I will say thank you for watching. Yeah, I'm really sorry you are not here because the other one has to be put all back together. That's another half an hour. This laptop is a terrible design and terrible schematic. If you can avoid it, yeah. But yeah, see you on the next one. Bye. Hey, if you find my content being helpful, don't forget you can support this channel by pressing the join button and you can get instantly access to our members only cool collection and Discord private channels for support with your repairs. Also, you can have a look on our United Kingdom eBay where you can find some cool and unique products, United States eBay store, or our Patreon page. Thank you.